What's going on, YouTube? Ruslan here with King's Dream Entertainment, encouraging, empowering, inspiring you to live out God's dream for your life. I hope everybody had an amazing Thanksgiving. Listen, this video is gonna be a little different. This past week, my son turned 4, so we took a little family trip, documented it, more of a family vlog type of video. I had an amazing time. This is really fun for us to share this side of our lives with you guys, and also really fun for us to look back. I think I did a video when Levi turned 2. I did a video on our family trip to New York a couple months ago. And so these are really fun for me to put together. They're kind of different, but I'm hoping to be doing more and more lifestyle vlogs. So hope everybody's having an amazing holiday season. I know there's a lot of things I'm grateful for. Specifically, big shout out to all the patrons who are supporting this channel, supporting everything we're doing. We got so many more podcasts on the way, merchandise dropping, all that good stuff. Speaking of merchandise dropping, my man John Keith just announced his brand new album, Honey Blonde, coming out December 14th. Hey, if you can, go pre-order that joint on our website, kingsdreament.com/store. I'll link it in the description below. There's a little rumor going around that there's a glitch on the website. People are apparently getting the entire album early. I can't confirm nor deny, but maybe you should go look for yourself. And flash hoodie sale, $25 hoodies, Black Friday to Cyber Monday, $19 hats, Black Friday to Cyber Monday. Man, this would be a great time to cop some merch, maybe a stocking stuff or something like that for some family members. Whatever you want, we're always throwing in extra CDs and extra stuff that we have on hand just to continue to show our love and appreciation to everybody that's supporting us and rocking with us. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Can't wait to hear from you. Peace.
Dad, I want to stay right here.
How does it feel to be 4 years old now?
Dad,
Where you want to go?
Adventureland.
To California Adventure Disneyland.
And it's already sunny.
And we are about to go to California Adventure next to Disneyland.
Mom, what is money? Mom, pass it to me. Thank you. Messages.
Y'all know about it. It's that next level fanny pack right here. Levi, it's Mickey. Minnie. Not Minnie. Mickey, not Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Why are you tripping about taking a picture with Captain America? You love Captain America. Are you tired because you woke up at 7:30?
Okay, buddy. I like your Spider-Man jacket. What's his name? Levi?
Levi, you're supposed to ask him who's his favorite superhero.
You're gonna make me pick?
He said,
Let's just go with Black Widow. Iron Man or myself. Let's go with Black Widow. Yeah, bro?
We're gonna bribe Levi with some ice cream to make him not be in a funk. I think it's a fantastic idea. I've been planning my cheat meal, and I'm gonna have a cream cheese filled pretzel. You're not gonna have a cream cheese? We're at Disneyland. We're thinking if we get you ice cream, you're gonna feel better. Is that a good hypothesis? And then you won't be scared to meet Black Panther and Spider-Man? Eat away, son. This is the only time I'm probably gonna encourage you to eat ice cream. We're trying to make you as tall as possible.
he's like, definitely got it. Yep. High five for good luck.
Levi, are you old enough to drive yet?
No.
What is he doing? He's trying to get out.
He's trying to. I said, I hope he doesn't pee his pants.
What was that? Ride number 2.
I'm glad you're in the middle, Levi. Oh.
Ow, that hurt. Ouch. Ow, dang. That's it. Oh! I got my cream cheese filled pretzel. Monet got her Mickey Mouse pretzel. Very excited about this. are gonna go see if we can see some superheroes, hoping to see the Black Panther.
And I am on the back window on home.
We found a Black Panther.
Oh, look, and they even have a soldier.
Levi, you excited to meet the Black Panther?
How are you today? Oh, I'm so glad you're doing well. I have a question for you, young one. Who is your favorite superhero? Black
Who?
Panther? Good job.
Good answer, Levi.
You know who my favorite superhero is? The Black Panther.
Hello, little warrior. What is your name? Nice to see you, my son. I see you have some of my friends on your shirt. Who is your favorite? Captain America. Yes. Are you strong like a superhero too? Well, let me see your powers. Put him up.
Yes, John, do you want to show the king the claw?
Don't make him angry.
Look at that.
Yeah, come this way. Yeah. Stand nice and tall like a warrior. 1 foot forward.
Give Spider-Man a high five.
You gotta stay here.
I'll see you all later, Spider-Man. How you doing? I'm Spider-Man. It's good to see you. Whoa, are those the Avengers? Oh, thanks, dude. How about a fist bump? What?
The cool thing about being here is every time you take a turn at night, it's like you walk into some other amazing place of beautiful lights, fun music, and smelly food. I mean, like good smelling food. I'm sitting here as Monet and Levi went to this little national forest thing. And it just started snowing. Not real snow. We're in Anaheim, California, but it's snowing. This is so cool. The super cool thing about Pixar Pier is they've rebranded it a couple years ago, not a couple years ago, about a decade ago. First time I came here, California Adventure. I've always liked California Adventure more, but the first time I came here, it was called something totally different. I think it's really smart on Disney's part to keep reinventing stuff, but also reinventing stuff and tying it into projects that they have out. California Screamin' is now an Incredibles ride. And yeah, they're just using it to tie into whatever they got going, and I think that's really smart on their part in a way that's modern and ties into whatever things are rolling out. So. Levi, did you have fun today? Mm-hmm. Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Getting this.
Getting this?
Yeah.
Say shout out Mama Dudes.
Mama Dudes.
Hooking me up. Guys, I'm really impressed with my wife, and it's only 9:20.
We don't want to go!
You'll be coming back.
We will be coming back.
Wait, should we stay for the fireworks?
No. We ended up staying in Anaheim for the night in a hotel, which is really the way to go, man. If you're going to Disneyland, it's nice not having to drive super far. But the next morning we got up, we actually went to downtown LA, and the next morning I got a text and then a phone call from my man Marky telling me that my man Ron passed away. You guys don't know Ron, amazing DJ, amazing person, humble bistro, chef, producer, and he's DJ'd a few shows for me. We did some stuff up in the Northwest together back when he was living in Portland. It was crazy to come off of such a fun day with my family at California Adventure, kind of get that news. I mean, he couldn't have been much older or younger than I was. I think we were about the same age, and it got me really thinking as I went into Thanksgiving, like, what am I thankful for? But above all else, like, I'm legitimately thankful for life. And I know that sounds cliche, but thankful just for the ability to live and breathe, and thinking about DJ Effecto, like how many more years I want to spend on this earth. And granted, like, we don't know when we're gonna go, but I really am grateful for life, like truly grateful, not just for my life, but just like for life. And so this time away with me and my family was awesome. Holidays, Thanksgiving was awesome, but it was bittersweet because you think about a good friend passing on that was, you know, close to your age, and just how how vulnerable life can be sometimes. I'm not the best at processing grief. I'm not the best at sharing my feelings, putting stuff on social media. I honestly don't even know how we're supposed to process these things in the era that we live in, man. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Like, I'm grateful for just the simple things. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for friends. I'm grateful for the ability to be physically active. And you know, we got up Thanksgiving morning. We ran our annual turkey trot. That was incredible. Being able to see how beautiful life is, how beautiful the world is, how beautiful people are, reminded me that everything is ultimately going to be all right. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, man. RIP, my man Ron, DJ Effecto. Comment section, what are you grateful for during the holiday season? All right, y'all. Peace.